So guys, so that's our Christmas tree.
We got some roti barbecue.
Thanks, honey bear.
Guys, so today we're doing a Christmas vlog, but first we're going to go get some food and then we're going to get a Christmas tree.
I want to know if you will stay well. Deep in your eyes I see the truth. Just take my hand because I won't let go. I believe in you. Let's share this moment.
We had Thai food, and then we went to Tesco and like a Kmart kind of store, and we got some stuff, Christmassy stuff to spruce up the apartment a little bit.
So we thought, I wanted a photo of what we wanted to look like. It was one of those tinsel Christmas trees, but instead of tinsel, we had one of these green ones left. So we thought, if there's not enough there of the green ribbon, we could use these three and like combine them and make the Christmas tree. We also got these little baubles. These are really, really cheap. So these ones were $2 ringgit or something like that. 2 ringgit each. These were 3 ringgit and 67 cents.
Just over $1
each. This tacket was like maybe like 2 ringgit or something like that.
Yes.
We got a star for our Christmas tree. Then we got some tape.
Take things if we need to.
And some wrapping paper. And I got my first present. A sewing kit. I'm gonna wrap it up later.
For yourself.
Yeah, I thought it would be cute.
Okay.
I'm very tired from my nap. But we will put the Christmas tree up now.
Yeah, put the Christmas tree up, and then we're gonna go get a snack. Probably some roti or some curry or something.
The stars in the sky looked down where he lay. The little Lord Jesus asleep on the hay. No crying he makes. I love thee, Lord Jesus. Look down from the sky and stay by my cradle till morning is nigh.
An amount. Then you fold one half, and you fold the other half, and push it together, and then squish it together, and that's your bow. That's my tutorial.
To live with thee there, thee there,
So guys, so that's our Christmas tree. You can see it. It's a star, lots of bows. I think it's super duper cute. It's so cute. Okay, where are we going?
Let's get some roti. We're bringing Permith.
Yes. He's coming along with us. He wanted some roti. You want roti? Yeah. Yep. He's clearly very excited. I think more excited than me, which is unusual. I'm very excited about roti. I love roti banana. What about you, Bubby? What's your favourite roti?
I love fish.
Roti kosong.
I
Just
love
plain,
fish.
plain roti with curry. Delicious.
That's so cute. They're playing together. He said he has to hold hands and they're playing like together. It's so cute. We got some roti banana. I've already chopped it up. We got roti planta
Butter.
with some curry.
I open.
And Hummus is enjoying some roti planta. Yay! Good?
Yummy. Yummy.
What about you, Bubby? You like it? Finished our roti and they're swinging on the swings now. Trying to get rid of all their energy. Good job! Woohoo! Woohoo! Good job, Hummus!
I want these ones.
Ready? Here, I'll help you.
Thanks, honey bear.
Got him? Yeah. Can I let you go?
Anyway, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I think that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!